naririto kayo ngayon, Renz and Hannah, just to remind you, you are in the holiest part of the church. Because here, day by day, we proclaim the truth. Here, day by day, we witness the truth. At ang hinihingi sa inyo ngayon ng inang simbahan ay maging totoo. At dahil tapat ang Diyos, nawa kayo ay maging larawan ng Diyos. Sapagkat ang hinihingi ninyo ngayon ay sakramento ng kasal, nawa ay maging kayong daluyan ng grasya at awa ng Diyos. At nawa, dahil ang Diyos ay tapat, nawa kayo ay magaring tapat sa isa't isa.
I am yours to keep, my love. I am yours.
Ever since bata ako, naging only child ako. Pero never ako nakaramdam na nag-iisa ako. Never ako nakaramdam ng lungkot dahil alam ko na sa lahat ng bagay, meron akong gabay, ay magagabay sa akin. May tatama sa mali ko at may magse-celebrate sa mga tagumpay sa buhay. So, thank you, babe. Thank you. Love you. Yun na.
I am yours to keep, my love. I am yours to keep. I am yours to keep, my love. I am yours. Yeah, I am yours to keep, my love. I am yours to keep. I am yours to keep, my love. I am yours.
Renz and Hannah, marriage is not just a beginning. It is also discovering. Sa kurso ng inyong buhay may asawa, you will discover more and more and more of your partner's characters and traits. One day, you will find yourself baka matapos na ang ating relasyon. And some of this discovery, Renz and Hannah, might not be compatible with yours. But that is a marvelous thing in marriage. You go on discovering each other that can be a new source of joy to continue the adventure of marriage life. Hannah, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Renz na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, I do.
Renz, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Hannah na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong aarugain ang mga supling na ipagkakaloob ng puong may kapal upang sila ay inyong palakihin bilang mabubuting mamamayang Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
Renz, kailan may di kita pagtataksilan, isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito
Na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
No strangers to uncertainty. We know all too well there's no guarantees. Seasons where it all goes right, seasons where it all goes wrong. But I feel like I've known all along.
Natutuwa ako, pero at the same time, nalulungkot. Siyempre, magpapamilya na siya. Hindi ko alam kung ganun siya ka-prepared, pero sure naman ako, kaya nila. Magmahalan sila, tapos wag nilang i-try i-change yung partner nila. Ang i-try nila, i-change yung sarili nila for the better. Para mas lalong magkaunawaan sila, at saka yung trust, at saka yung respect. Pangatlo na lang yung love.
Hannah and Renz, there is no perfect marriage. Walang perfectong relasyon. It is always imperfect. But it depends on the two of you. Because even that imperfect relationship can be a beautiful version of love story.
For the rest of forever, it's you and me. In every direction, you're all I see. Yeah, you hung the moon, perfect in my eyes. The light in every room, don't even have to try. With you, I'll go wherever. For the rest of forever.
Sa lahat ng pag-aalaga. Yun, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. At saka yung yung pagiging strict, na-appreciate ko rin yun. Kasi at least nahanap ko yung the one sa tamang panahon.
Your head on my heart and your hand in mine. Seasons when it all went right, seasons when it all went wrong. I'm so glad it was you. For the rest of forever, it's you and me. In every direction, all I see. Yeah, you on the moon, perfect in my eyes. The light in every room, don't even have to try. With you I'll go wherever. Darling, we can do whatever. For the
Renz, maaari mo nang hagkan ang iyong may bahay.
rest of forever.